dear student. Today we are going to discuss about question 7.61. We will discuss only એવા ક્વેશ્ચન લેશું કે જે રિપીટ ના થાય. રિપીટ થાય તો હોમવર્કમાં કરવાનો રહેશે. The ionization constant of nitrous acid. Nitrous acid means HNO2, one of the weak acid. Ka is given 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 4. Calculate the pH of 0.04 molarity sodium nitrate solution. NaNO2 and also degree of hydrolysis. First of all, NaNO2 is the salt, strong base. NaOH અને weak acid nitrous acid નો salt છે. તો NO2 minus છે એ strong હોય, water સાથે react કરે HNO2 plus OH minus upon NO2 minus. So KH will be Kw upon Ka. 10 raised to minus 14 upon 4.5 10 raised to minus 4. So 0.22 into 10 raised to minus 10. If X mole of the salt undergo hydrolysis, initial 0.04 છે એમાંથી X near about 0.04. HNO2 is X, so Ka HNO2 plus water gives NO2 minus H3O plus. Here is X 0.04 minus X, so X square upon 0.04 minus X. X is divisible, so KH equal to hydrolysis is suppose H XX. So NaNO2 gives NaOH and OH minus and HNO2 NO2 minus. Yes, it gives HNO2. So XX occurs. KH value is derived with help of it. X ni value મળશે 0.093 10 raised to minus 5. So H will be 0.093 10 raised to minus 5. So H3O plus એના ઉપરથી કઈ રીતે Kw equal to H plus into OH minus. So H3O plus, otherwise H plus 1 into 10 raised to minus 14 upon 0.093 10 raised to minus 5. So 10.75 10 raised to minus 9. So 10.75 10 raised to minus 9 gives 7.96 pH value. And X, here degree of hydrolysis, X upon 0.04 equal to 0.093 10 raised to minus 5 upon 0.04. So it gives 2.325 10 raised to minus 5. Now 7.63 IMP question. Predict the solution of the following salt are neutral, acidic or basic. NaCl is when we dissolve in water, Na plus Cl minus in water, H plus OH, NaOH and HCl. Strong base, strong acid. Whenever salt is made from strong acid, strong base, it should be neutral. The neutral is KBr, K plus Br minus, H plus OH, KOH and HBr. Both are strong acid, strong base. The solution of KBr is also neutral. Now sodium cyanide. Sodium cyanide when we dissolve into water, Na plus Cl minus, H plus NOH, which is salt of NaOH and hydrogen cyanide. NaOH is strong base but HCl is weak acid. એસિડ વીક છે, સ્ટ્રોંગ બેઝ છે એટલે બેઝિક સોલ્યુશન થાય. એમોનિયમ નાઇટ્રેટ NH4 plus NO3 minus in the water H plus OH NH4OH and HNO3 weak base and strong acid. The solution acidic થશે. NaNO2 sodium nitrite Na plus NO2 minus here H plus OH minus NaOH and HNO2 strong base and weak acid. Base is strong, so solution is basic by nature. Kf into water K plus F minus here H plus OH K plus OH KOH H with F HF here strong base and weak acid. So basic solution it gives. 7.64 the ionization constant of chloroacidic acid ClCH2COOH is 1.35 10 raised to minus 3. What will be the pH of 0.1 molarity acid? આ એસિડની pH કેટલી? Then its 0.1 molarity sodium salt when it react with the base NaOH. So sodium chloroacetate is the salt. Any pH કેટલી? It is given that Ka for chloroacidic acid 1.35 10 raised to minus 3. So we know Ka equal to direct now C into alpha square. Why? Chloro Ka equal to C into alpha square. Chloroacidic acid when dissolves into water gives chloroacetate and H3O plus. Suppose alpha alpha ionization occurs. Yes, here is C. Concentration is here. So C into alpha upon C into 1 minus alpha. C cut C into alpha square 1 minus alpha. Alpha is negligible, so it's 3 alpha square upon 1 Ka. So alpha square equal to Ka upon C. So alpha equal to under root Ka 1.35 10 raised to minus 3 upon 0.1. So 1.35 0.1 means 10 raised to minus 1. અહીંયા આવેલે plus, here is minus 2. So root of it 1.16 10 raised to minus 1. So 0.116 is alpha. So H plus equal to here C into alpha. So 0.1 into 0.116 gives 0.0116 means 1.16 10 raised to minus 2. So when we put the value in logarithm, so minus log 1.16 log 10 raised to minus 2. Minus 2 convert into plus 2. Here value is near about 0.06. So 2 minus 0.06 gives 1.90 0.04. 1.96 0.06 1.94. Chlorosodium acetate. Sodium chloroacetate, the salt of weak acid and strong base. So KH will be here KH will be આજે એસિટેટ છે એ વીક એસિડનો પાર્ટ છે ક્લોરોએસિટેટ એટલે રિએક્ટ કરશે હાઇડ્રોલાઇસિસ થાય એટલે KH will be chloroacetic acid into OH upon chloroacetate. So KH equal to KW upon Ka. So 10 raised to minus 14 upon 1.35 10 raised to minus 4, 0.740 10 raised to minus 14 minus 11, sorry. So now Kh will be x square upon 0.1. Here is x. So x square upon 0.1. So x equal to 0.86 10 raised to minus 6. This is value of OH minus. So OH minus equal to 0.86 10 raised to minus 6. Then H plus will be H plus into OH Kw 10 raised to minus 14. So H plus equal to Kw 10 raised to minus 14 upon OH minus 0.86 10 raised to minus 6. So H plus is 1.162 10 raised to minus 6 minus 8 minus 14 minus 6 minus 8. So pH will be 7.94. When we put the value here, minus log 1.16 to log 10 raised to minus 8, minus minus plus 8. Here is negative 0.06, so 7.94. Now 7.65, ionic product of water at 310 Kelvin temperature is 2.7 into 10 raised to minus 14. What is the pH of neutral water at this temperature? 310 Kelvin temperature ऊपर આપણને ionic product like Kw is given. So pH of neutral water, yes. Let concentration of H plus and OH minus equal to X. So Kw actually water plus water gives H3O plus and OH minus, both are suppose X. So H plus into OH Kw is equal to X square. So 2.7 10 raised to minus 14 equal to X square. So X equal to under root of it 1.64 10 raised to minus 7. This is concentration of H plus ion. When we put the value in pH formula, so minus log 1.64 10 raised to minus 7. So minus 1.64 minus log 10 raised to minus 7 minus minus plus 7, and then after point 2 32 0.22, when we cut so it gives 6.78. Now 7.66. Calculate the pH of the results of mixture. Yes, 10 milli, 0.2 molarity calcium hydroxide means calcium hydroxide strong base છે. આ 0.2 હોય તો 2 into 0.2 0.4 molarity થશે, and volume is 10 milli. Now then after HCl, which is also strong, here 0.1, so 0.1 molarity of H plus and volume is 25 milli. બેને મિક્સઅપ કર્યા પછી pH કેટલી? Yes, here moles of OH minus 10 into 0.2 into 2. Yes, actually molarity equal to mole per liter. Getting mole into liter, molarity into liter gives mole. So first of all, mole of OH minus ion. So 0.4 molarity is given like this. So 10 is the volume divided by 1000. Mole equal to molarity into volume in liter. Molarity is 0.4, like 0.2 into 2, 0.4, okay, 10 milli, but here is liter divided by 1000. So 0.040 mole of OH minus, okay. Now excess of OH minus 0.0015 mole. 0.0015 upon 35 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole per liter. So here in the first case which is incompleted, the mole of H3O plus, yes. So mole of H3O plus, how we can define? H plus means concentration 0.1 and 0.1. So mole of H plus equal to molarity into volume 25 in liter divided by 1000. So 0.025 H plus ना मोल से 0.0025 moles છે and OH minus ના મોલ છે which is 0.0040 છે એટલે એમાંથી સબસ્ટ્રેટ થાય ને OH excess છે. OH minus ના મોલ is more than H plus એટલે સરખા यूज થઈ જાય એટલે 0.0025 यूज થઈ જાય. The remaining 0.0015 mole OH minus વધારે છે એટલે બેઝિક થશે. હવે મોલ ડિવાઇડ બાય લિટર એટલે 25 મિલી હતું એમાં 10 મિલી થાય 35 મિલી થાય. સો 35 મિલી અને લિટરમાં ડિવાઇડ કરીએ 0.0015 મોલ ઓફ OH minus ડિવાઇડ બાય 35 મિલી 35 ડિવાઇડ બાય 1000 એટલે 10 raised to minus 3 0.0428. So now pOH will be from the OH minus 4.28 10 raised to minus 3. When we put the value in pOH, so minus log 4.28 minus log 10 raised to minus 3, sorry 2. So minus minus plus 2. And when we subtract from here 64, so 1.36 is pOH. 14 वाली subtract करो 12.63. Now question number 7.67. KSP. Yes, sir. Determine the solubility of silver chromate, means Ag2CrO4. Barium chromate, BaCrO4. Ferric hydroxide, FeOH thrice. Lead chloride, PbCl2. Mercurous iodide, Hg2I2. At 298 Kelvin temperature with help of KSP value, which is given in table number 7.9 of our book, page number 221. Silver chromate Ag2CrO4 gives 2 Ag plus ion and chromate. A sparingly soluble salt છે. Solubility suppose S, here 2S and S. So Ag plus square into chromate. Suppose the solubility S, so Ag plus equal to 2S and chromate is S. So square of 2S and 1 rest of S gives 4S cube. Yes, 4S cube. KSP is given 1.1 into 10 raised to minus 12 is 4S cube. When we divide by 4, it gives 0.275 10 raised to minus 12. Then cube root of it 0.65 to 10 raised to minus 4 is the solubility. Remaining you have to do yourself. Now concentration of Ag plus 2S. So 2 into S Ag plus ની concentration of chromate is S 0.65 into 10 raised to minus 4. Another you have to do in your homework, barium chromate, ferric hydroxide, lead chloride, all you have to do in your homework. Mercurous iodide also. 7.68. The solubility product constant of silver dichromate, Ksp, of silver chromate is 1.1 10 raised to minus 12, and of AgBr is 5 into 10 raised to minus 12 respectively. Calculate the ratio of the molarity of their solubility. पहला तो Ksp given है. Silver chromate means 2S and S. So square of Ag plus N chromate 4S cube 1.1 10 raised to minus 12 हमने आज count किया. So solubility for silver chromate is 6.5 10 raised to minus 5. Now let us solubility of AgBr is S. So Ksp equal to Ag plus and Br minus. So A square equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus Ksp is given of AgBr 5 into 10 raised to minus 13. Here Ksp S square equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 13. So 50 into 10 raised to minus 14 that both sides apply root term. So S will be 7.07 10 raised to minus 7. Therefore ratio of the molarity of their saturated solution is here is S, here is S square. Yes, S dash. So 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 5, here 7.07 10 raised to minus 7. So actually 0.919 10 raised to 2. So 91.9. It means that solubility of silver chromate is 91.9 times more than solubility of silver bromide. Now next question, equal volume of 0.002 molarity solution of sodium iodate and cupric chlorate are mixed together. Will it lead the precipitation of cupric copper iodate? Sodium iodate mixing with cupric chlorate. આમાંથી Cu plus 2 ion અને આમાંથી iodate. Soluble soluble. આ બે ion combine થાય તો sparingly soluble salt બને અને એનો Ksp given છે 7.4 10 raised to minus 8. The first of all we have to derive ionic product. એટલે આમાંથી iodate ની concentration, આમાંથી copper ની concentration. When equal volume of sodium iodate and cupric chlorate are mixed together, the molar concentration of both are reduced to be half. Sodium iodate ની concentration 0.002 છે. એમાંથી 1 થઈ ગઈ. Why? વોલ્યુમ જ્યારે V હતું ત્યારે 0.002 મોલારિટી. હવે 2V થાય. 0.002 divided by yes, volume double થાય એટલે M1V1 equal to M2V2. Initial 0.002 હતું, ત્યારે વોલ્યુમ B, હવે વોલ્યુમ ડબલ થાય એટલે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન 0.001 થઈ જાય હાફ સેમ આની પણ વોલ્યુમ ડબલ થાય એટલે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન 0.02 માંથી હાફ એમાંથી સોડિયમ ને આયોડેટ બને એ આયોડેટ છે આ સ્પેરિંગલી નથી કમ્પ્લીટલી સોલ્યુબલ છે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન આયોડેટની 0.001 ક્યુપ્રિક ક્લોરેટમાંથી 2 ક્લોરેટ આયન બને એટલે આ 0.001 into 2 એટલે ડબલ થશે 0.002 but this one remains 0.001 આના માટે 2 0.001 now the solubility equilibrium for cupric iodate એટલે અહીંથી Cu+2 ની કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન આટલી આયોડેટ ની આટલી એટલે Cu આયોડેટ બને એટલે Cu+2 IO3 નો સ્ક્વેર Cu+2 આયોડેટ નો સ્ક્વેર 0.001 0.001 no square which is 1 into 10 raised to minus 9. Why? Here 10 raised to minus 3 no square. Here 10 raised to minus 3 10 raised to minus 3 no square minus 6 minus 3 and minus 6 minus 9. So here ionic product is less than Ksp એટલે -9 છે -8 કરતા less કહેવાય એટલે precipitation is not occurs precipitation is not possible 70 you have to do it homework 71 now 71. What is the maximum concentration of equimolar solution of ferrous sulfate and sodium sulfide? So that when mixed in equal volume, there is no precipitation of iron sulfide. એટલે કેટલી કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન રાખીએ તો આમાંથી Fe+2 and from here sulfide e બેનો આયનિક પ્રોડક્ટ લેસ ધેન Ksp હોય તો precipitation ના થાય like this. There is -18 now 6.3 into 10 raised to -18 now. Let the maximum concentration of each solution be x mole per liter. After mixing the volume, the concentration of each solution reduced by half. Obviously, initial concentration જ્યારે volume V હતું, volume double થઈ જાય, mix થાય એટલે concentration half થઈ જાય. એટલે આ જે concentration suppose C છે, volume V. તો new concentration કેટલી? એટલે M2 will be C into V upon 2V, C by 2. FeSO4 અને Na2S મિક્સઅપ કરીએ એટલે બેની જે કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન હોય એના કરતા હાફ થઈ જાય. યસ, સો FeSO4 માંથી Fe+2 આવશે એની x/2, Na2S માંથી સલ્ફાઇડ આવશે એની x/2. સો FeS બને Fe+2 and S-2 will be એનો Ksp છે 6.3 10 raised to -18. So x/2 x/2. So x square by 4 equal to 6.3 10 raised to -18. So x will be 5.0 to 10 raised to -9. If the concentration of both solutions are equal to or less than 5.0 to 10 raised to -5, આટલું લઈએ ને ત્યારે તો IP equal to Ksp છે, precipitation થાય. પણ whenever IP ionic product means Fe+2 અને સલ્ફાઇડનું આયનનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન ઓફ ધી કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન લેસ ધેન આનાથી હોય તો પ્રિસિપિએટ નહીં થાય. લાઈક ધીસ 7.72. What is the minimum volume of water required to dissolve 1 gram of calcium sulfate at 298 Kelvin temperature. For calcium sulfate, KSP is 9.1 10 raised to minus 6. એટલે કે મિનિમમ કેટલું વોલ્યુમ રાખવું જોઈએ 1 ગ્રામ કેલ્શિયમ સલ્ફેટને ઉગાડવા માટે. યસ, calcium sulfate gives calcium plus 2 and sulfate ion. Here KSP equal to calcium and sulfate. Suppose the solubility is of S of both. So KSP equal to S square 9.1 10 raised to minus 8 S square. KSP minus 6. So root of it 3.02 10 raised to minus 3 mole per liter. Molecular mass of calcium sulfate is 136. Actually molarity equal to mole per liter. Okay, and mole when multiplied by molecular mass is gives mass upon liter, gram per liter. 136 એનો મોલેક્યુલર માસ છે, મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ એટલે આપણને 0.41 ગ્રામ પર લિટર આપશે. It means that 1 liter solution હોય તેમાં 0.41 ગ્રામ કેલ્શિયમ સલ્ફેટ ડિઝોલ્વ હોવું જોઈએ. એટલે કે 0.41 ગ્રામ કેલ્શિયમ સલ્ફેટ હોય તો need at volume 1 liter. So at 1 gram how much? 1 divided by 0.41 gives 2.44 liter water. Now last question of the day. The concentration of sulfide ion. Sulfide ion concentration in 0.1 molarity HCl solution saturated with hydrogen sulfide is 1 into 10 raised to minus 19 molarity. એટલે સલ્ફાઇડ આયન કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન છે એટલે H2S gives H plus and sulfide. In HCl, H plus and Cl. Here concentration of sulfide ion is 1 into 10 raised to minus 19 molarity. Saturated solution છે. આ 0.1 molarity of HCl છે. 10 milli of this solution. એટલે આ solution નો 10 milli લેવાનું. એમાં 5 milli 0.04 molarity salt like FeSO4, MnCl2, ZnCl2 અને cadmium chloride add કરીએ તો precipitation occur થાય કે નહીં. We have to define precipitation occurs or not. Okay, given KSP for FeS is 6.3 into 10 raised to minus 18, MnS 2.5 minus એટલે આમાંથી Fe plus 2 ની concentration અને સલ્ફાઇડ ની concentration multiplication याना KSP કરતા મોર હોય તો precipitation થશે, બાકી નહીં થાય એમ. For precipitation take place it required that calculate ionic product. એટલે સલ્ફાઇડ ની concentration છે of 1 into 10 raised to minus 19, metal ની 0.04. here volume is sulfide નું 10 મિલી, આનું 5 મિલી છે. બેને મિક્સિંગ કરીને એટલે સલ્ફાઇડ અને મેટલ આયન ની concentration કેટલી? ટોટલ વોલ્યુમ 10 plus 5 એટલે 15. તો સલ્ફાઇડ આયન ની concentration એટલે 10 મિલી હતું ત્યારે 1 into 10 raised to minus 19 molarity. હવે 15 મિલી છે So any concentration how much? 1 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon 15 milli. Yes. Into 10 divided by 15. So 6.67 10 raised to minus 20. Here metal માટે same. Metal initial concentration metal ની FeSO4 ની 0.04 હતી ત્યારે વોલ્યુમ 5 મિલી. હવે વોલ્યુમ 15 મિલી થઈ જાય તો એની મોલારિટી how much? 0.05 into 5 upon 15. So it gives 1.33 into 10 raised to minus 2. So now multiplication of both Mn plus 2 and sulfide. M plus 2 means metal. 1.33 into 10 raised to minus 2, 6.67 10 raised to minus 20. So here is 8.87 10 raised to minus 22. Here ionic product IP. બે સોલ્ટ ને મિક્સ કરતા એના એમની concentration whenever more than KSP. Ionic product exceed KSP of ZnS and CdL. Precipitation occur in cadmium chloride and ZnCl2 solution. Why? ZnS અને એના KSP ના વેલ્યુ લેસ છે. Cadmium sulfide નો આ -17 -27 -24 છે KSP. Ionic product is 10 raised to -22. -22 24 કરતા big છે એટલે ZnS અને CdS ના precipitation થાય. But FeS and MnS માટે -14 -17 એટલે -22 કરતા more છે. So KSP whenever more than IP, the precipitation nahi occur tha. Now our chapter is totally completed.